Hello, everybody. I hope everything is still going well where you're at, and that you and the family are healthy and surviving. This is week 15 for us, and of course, nobody thought it would end up like this. But I do want to thank you, and I've tried to do this each week. Thank you each for sticking with the program. It has been one that we haven't been able to plan for. We had to just kind of hit the ground running there. I do hope some of these interviews have been at least interesting, a little bit enlightening for you. This week, I have one from an alum from the university that I used to teach at out in North Carolina. He was one of my students, and it just so happened that he left Greenville, North Carolina, which is where the university was, and has ended up out here. So for me, it's nice to catch up with him and talk shop and see what he's up to. But in the process, what I thought might be interesting is to do an interview with him, which I've done, because he had to figure everything out kind of on his own and work through finding those first gigs and how do you survive up in LA on his own. And he had the extra challenge of moving here from the other side of the country. So I've done an interview with Brian. That's this week's lecture. I hope you find something useful in there, and maybe a takeaway or two about how he's approached it. We get through this week, and then we just have next week left. So we're almost there. Hang in there. And again, thank you all for sticking with the program.